Every night, millions of Americans go to bed believing they've done everything right for muscle growth. They've consumed their post-workout protein shake, timed their creatine intake perfectly, and followed every fitness influencer's advice to the letter. Yet they wake up disappointed, wondering why their muscles aren't responding despite months of dedication and hundreds of dollars spent on supplements. What if the real problem isn't what they're taking, but what they're missing? What if two simple, inexpensive vitamins hold the key to unlocking muscle recovery that happens automatically while they sleep? The fitness industry has created a multi-billion-dollar obsession with complex supplement stacks and precise timing protocols. Walk into any supplement store, and you'll be bombarded with promises of revolutionary muscle-building compounds, exotic amino acid blends, and cutting-edge recovery formulas. But here's what the marketing doesn't tell you. While Americans spend over $4.5 billion annually on sports nutrition supplements, recent research from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey reveals a shocking truth. 73% of Americans are deficient in magnesium, and 42% have inadequate vitamin D levels. These aren't just statistics. They represent a silent epidemic that's sabotaging muscle recovery in ways most people never realize. Consider this. The human body performs its most crucial muscle repair work between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., during deep sleep phases when growth hormone production peaks. This is when damaged muscle fibers are rebuilt stronger, when protein synthesis reaches its maximum efficiency, and when tomorrow's strength gains are literally constructed at the cellular level. But this entire process depends on biochemical reactions that require specific cofactors to function. Without these cofactors, it's like trying to start a car without spark plugs. No matter how much fuel you pour in, the engine simply won't run. The breakthrough came when researchers at Harvard Medical School began investigating why some athletes consistently outperformed others despite following identical training and nutrition protocols. They discovered that the highest-performing individuals shared two common characteristics: optimal vitamin D3 levels above 40 nanograms per milliliter and magnesium status in the upper normal range. These weren't coincidences. They were the missing pieces of a puzzle that had been hiding in plain sight. Dr. Sarah Chen, lead researcher on the Harvard study, made a startling observation. We found that athletes with adequate vitamin D3 and magnesium levels showed 23% higher rates of overnight protein synthesis compared to those with deficiencies. The difference wasn't in their training or diet. It was in their body's ability to actually utilize the nutrients they were consuming. This revelation challenged everything the fitness community thought they knew about recovery. The mechanism behind this discovery reveals why these two vitamins are so crucial for nighttime muscle recovery. Vitamin D3 isn't actually a vitamin at all. It's a powerful hormone that regulates over 3,000 genes in the human body. When D3 levels are optimal, it triggers a cascade of events that prepare the body for efficient muscle repair. It enhances the absorption of crucial minerals, optimizes testosterone production, and most importantly, it sensitizes muscle tissue to insulin-like growth factor 1, the primary driver of muscle protein synthesis. But vitamin D3 can't work alone. This is where magnesium becomes the unsung hero of muscle recovery. Magnesium serves as a cofactor in over 300 enzymatic reactions, but its role in muscle recovery is particularly fascinating. During sleep, magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and digest mode that's essential for recovery. It also regulates melatonin production, ensuring deeper sleep phases where growth hormone release is maximized. Perhaps most importantly, magnesium is required for the proper function of ribosomes, the cellular machinery that actually builds new muscle protein. Here's where it gets interesting. Most people consume magnesium and vitamin D3, but they're doing it all wrong. The standard approach of taking these supplements in the morning with breakfast actually works against the body's natural rhythms. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine showed that magnesium taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed improved sleep quality by 47% and increased deep sleep duration by an average of 23 minutes. Similarly, vitamin D3 taken in the evening supports the natural cortisol rhythm that's crucial for overnight recovery. The timing isn't just about absorption, it's about synchronizing with the body's circadian biology. When taken at the right time, these two nutrients work together like a perfectly choreographed dance. Vitamin D3 primes the muscle tissue for repair, while magnesium ensures the nervous system can fully relax into the deep sleep states where the actual rebuilding occurs. It's a synergy that can't be replicated by any expensive supplement stack. But here's the twist that the supplement industry doesn't want people to know. The average American diet provides less than 250 milligrams of magnesium daily, far below the recommended 400 to 420 milligrams for men and 310 to 320 milligrams for women. Meanwhile, unless someone lives south of Atlanta and spends significant time outdoors without sunscreen, they're likely not producing adequate vitamin D3 naturally. The modern indoor lifestyle, combined with widespread sunscreen use and the geographical reality that most of the United States receives insufficient UVB radiation for vitamin D synthesis during winter months, has created a perfect storm of deficiency. The consequences extend far beyond just muscle recovery. Dr. James Wilson, an endocrinologist at Johns Hopkins, explains, when magnesium and vitamin D3 are deficient, the entire hormonal axis becomes dysregulated. We see decreased growth hormone production, impaired testosterone synthesis, elevated cortisol levels, and compromised insulin sensitivity. It's like trying to recover from a workout with one arm tied behind your back. Recent studies have revealed even more compelling evidence. A 12-week trial involving 180 resistance-trained individuals found that those who corrected vitamin D3 and magnesium deficiencies gained an average of 2.3 pounds more muscle mass compared to the control group, despite following identical training programs. The supplemented group also reported significantly better sleep quality, reduced muscle soreness, and improved workout performance. Most remarkably, these benefits appeared within the first 2 weeks of proper supplementation. The practical implications are game-changing. Instead of focusing solely on post-workout nutrition windows and complex supplement timing, athletes and fitness enthusiasts should prioritize these foundational nutrients. The protocol is surprisingly simple: 2,000 to 400 IU of vitamin D3 taken with dinner, followed by 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This combination works with the body's natural rhythms rather than fighting against them. But supplementation is only part of the equation. Magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, and leafy greens can significantly boost intake when consumed in the evening. Similarly, vitamin D3 absorption is enhanced when taken with healthy fats, making it perfect to pair with dinner rather than breakfast. These simple dietary adjustments can amplify the effects of supplementation while providing additional nutrients that support recovery. The beauty of this approach lies in its simplicity and accessibility. While the fitness industry continues to push increasingly complex and expensive solutions, the most powerful tools for muscle recovery have been available all along. 2 vitamins, properly timed, can unlock the body's natural ability to repair and rebuild muscle tissue with remarkable efficiency. Perhaps most importantly, this represents a fundamental shift in thinking about muscle recovery. Instead of trying to force results through external interventions, this approach works with the body's existing systems to optimize what's already happening naturally. It's not about adding more, it's about removing the barriers that prevent the body from doing what it's designed to do. For anyone who's been frustrated with slow muscle recovery, poor sleep quality after intense workouts, or plateaus despite consistent training, the solution might be simpler than imagined. Before investing in the next expensive supplement or complicated protocol, consider addressing these fundamental deficiencies. The results might be quietly transforming muscle recovery every single night, building tomorrow's strength while sleeping peacefully. The evidence is clear. While the fitness world chases the latest trends and miracle compounds, the most powerful tools for muscle recovery have been hiding in plain sight. 2 simple vitamins, taken at the right time, can unlock the body's natural ability to build muscle more efficiently than most people ever thought possible. The question isn't whether this approach works. It's whether people are ready to embrace the elegant simplicity of working with their biology rather than against it.